सेवेंथ क्लास के बच्चों के लिए ये पहला क्लास होगा. फर्स्ट क्लास for the students of seventh class. In this class, we are going to discuss about the formula that is used in mensuration. We are going to deal with the plain figures. So first of all, we will revise a few 5-6 formulas today, and after revising the formula, next day we will discuss about a few problems from this chapter. So let us come to learn about the formula and mensuration. This figure is known as rectangle. If we are to calculate the area of the rectangle, then simply we multiply two perpendicular sides. This side is known as length and this one is known as breadth. What will be area of rectangle? Definitely we will multiply length into breadth and we will get the answer for the area of rectangle. Next topic, we have to discuss about perimeter. Perimeter is also known as boundary. So in this rectangle, to know the boundary, we will write L for this length and for this one breadth, again for this length and this one breadth. 2 times length and 2 times breadth. Here we are getting 2 times length, 2 times breadth. Means formula will be 2L plus 2B for the perimeter of rectangle. Area of rectangle, length must be multiplied to get the area, and perimeter of rectangle means boundary of rectangle. We should do add L with breadth. L and B must be added, and after that it must be multiplied by 2. So we will find the formula for this 2 bracket L plus B. This one is the formula to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Come to the next point, and that is diagonal of a rectangle. To calculate the diagonal of the rectangle, we simply think into this part. To calculate the diagonal of the rectangle, we simply think for this part, this one is 90 degree, this is length and this is breadth. So in case of a right angle triangle, we think about the Pythagoras theorem, and in Pythagoras theorem, the square of length and the square of breadth here should be equal to the square of this one, that is hypotenuse. Here we will call this as diagonal. So we get the formula diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. To calculate diagonal, simply root under L square plus B square. Diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. Diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. Diagonal is equal to under root L square plus B square. So this one is formula to calculate the biggest rod inside a rectangle. The biggest bamboo that can be placed inside a rectangle. This type of questions will be asked when you will solve the problems. So this one is okay for today. You have revised 3 formulas for the class of 7 or 7th class, and you have got some idea about rectangle. 3 formula is always utilized one is area, next is perimeter, and third is diagonal, and that's okay.